Domsa séir de spríle croíocht ná saoirse bheith duine tuairt faoi síl atá oscailte, atá lán le smaointí nua, smaointí óra agus a bheith inán é sin na dhéine i ggóiliúdar daoine eile.
For me, creativity it's a resource we all have, but it's also something fragile. It's something that tends to get dampened as we go through life, particularly by systems that reward convention and conformity. So while it's an innate capacity, it's something that needs to be supported and fostered because it makes the world more interesting, more varied, and more resilient.
Well, I think creativity can mean a lot of different things, but the opportunity to express an idea, an emotion, share a story, and connect to a larger community, I feel is always central to the notion of creativity.
I think being creative means finding outlets to express what you can't in ordinary words. So be that through music or art or writing.
For me, I suppose what springs to mind is to be free. So you're free to express yourself. There's no barriers, there's no boundaries, you can just do whatever that you like.
Well, to me, I think it means we all have our own unique set of experiences and knowledge and learning and ways of looking at the world, and that we can adapt the things we know and find new ways of looking at life and new ways of maybe communicating.
Creativity, it's about curiosity, it's about taking that freedom to explore, to reimagine, to ideate, and not just across the artistic disciplines, but to employ a creative approach in business, in science, in management. And I think just from a Heritage Collections perspective here in the library, I really look forward to seeing the ways in which people come and encounter our collections, not just for historic research, for academic research, but also to explore these sources as sources of creative inspiration and of collaboration here at the university.
You know, every choice can be creative, and it's just the ability to stop and think that I don't have a mundane or uneventful life just because I'm at this stage of living.
It's kind of just an expression of yourself, where you're from, and like all of the influences from your childhood kind of just put together to form your character, I guess. To me, I guess that's what creativity means to me.
I think to be creative is to have great fun with ideas. Good creativity is about having a really good idea and executing it really well, and I think you're there.